Every React developer hits this wall. Your component needs to return multiple elements, but wrapping them in a div breaks your layout. Here's how Fragment saved the day. A React Fragment is a lightweight wrapper that lets you group multiple elements together without adding any extra nodes to the DOM. Think of it as an invisible container. When React renders your component, the fragment disappears completely, leaving only your actual elements in the final HTML. It's pure grouping logic with zero DOM footprint. Here's the problem. React components must return a single root element. Before Fragments, you'd wrap everything in a div, but that adds unnecessary markup. If you're building a table, that extra div between your table row and cells breaks the HTML structure. Or if you're using flexbox, that wrapper div becomes an unwanted flex item. Fragments solve this by letting you return multiple elements as siblings without any wrapper. You have two syntax options. The shorthand is just empty angle brackets, open angle, close angle. It's clean and concise. The full syntax is react.fragment with opening and closing tags. The key difference? The full syntax supports a key prop which you need when rendering fragments inside a loop or map function. The shorthand can't take any props at all. Use fragments whenever you need clean markup. Rendering table rows without breaking the table structure. Returning form elements without disrupting flexbox or grid layouts. Keeping semantic HTML intact when building lists or navigation. Fragments keep your DOM lean and your CSS predictable. Fragments let you group elements cleanly without polluting the DOM or breaking your layouts. Master this pattern and your components stay semantic and maintainable. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.